In today's video, I'm going to teach you fixx.com Twitter age verification error. Quick guide. If you're running into an age verification error on X, don't worry. In most cases, the fix is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the exact process clearly so you can get back into your account without unnecessary confusion. First, open x.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, the first thing you want to check is your date of birth. This is important because even a small mistake in your birth date can trigger age verification issues or cause the platform to think your age doesn't meet its requirements. To do that, go to your profile, then select Edit Profile, and look for the birth date section. Make sure the date shown there is correct. If anything is wrong, update it carefully and save the changes. It's a simple step, but it can make a big difference. After that, if X shows an age verification prompt, select Verify Your Age. Depending on your account, your location, and the verification options available in your region, X may give you one of two methods. You may see facial age estimation, or you may be asked to complete ID verification. If you're asked to do a selfie verification, follow the on-screen instructions closely and take a clear live selfie. Good lighting and a steady camera can help avoid another failure. If X asks for ID verification instead, use a valid government-issued ID and follow the upload instructions exactly as shown on the screen. If the verification keeps failing, there are a few troubleshooting steps you should try. Start by closing X completely and reopening it. If that doesn't help, try using x.com in a private or incognito browser window. You should also clear your browser's cache and cookies, since stored data can sometimes interfere with verification pages. Another good step is to temporarily disable browser extensions or ad blockers because they may block parts of the process. If needed, switch to a different browser and try again. And if you're using a VPN, turn it off before retrying, since that can also cause verification problems. Now, if your verification was successful, but X still keeps showing the same prompt, completely close the app and reopen it. Sometimes the app simply needs to refresh before the status updates properly. Finally, if X incorrectly decides that you're under the required age, you can challenge that decision through X support. If nothing else works, that's the best next step. That's how to fix the X or Twitter age verification error quickly and efficiently.